We start by seeing the cold, frozen land of Antarctica, where ice stretches out in almost every direction, showing just how chilly the continent really is. As the team moves across this wide, icy land, a small vehicle is shown making its way through the snow and ice. Inside the vehicle, a group of scientists is traveling to learn more about the region. At first, everything seems fine as they laugh and talk with one another. But soon, the man wearing glasses has trouble getting a clear signal on one of the devices. When the device suddenly shows a strong signal, they choose to stop and check where they are. Shortly after stopping, the ice under them gives way, and the vehicle falls in, trapping the scientists about 50 meters below the surface. In the next part, a scientist named Kate is visited by two other researchers. They tell her they need a skilled paleontologist to help study a strange structure in Antarctica, and they want her to join the mission. Out of curiosity, Kate agrees to go. They travel through the freezing land of Antarctica in a helicopter. One of the pilots warns them to stay alert as a storm is coming. The team safely lands at Thule Station, and without taking a break, they quickly get into their vehicle and head straight to the site they want to explore. They arrive at the mysterious ice cave where a group of geologists welcomes them. One of the geologists thanks them for making the trip and says their journey was worth it. The lead geologist takes them deeper into the cave and shows them the strange and advanced high-tech structures found inside. They believe this discovery is around 100,000 years old, but they still aren't sure which ancient group built it. Kate and her team are shocked by what they see and didn't think their mission would be this surprising. Their eyes widen with amazement as they look around the whole place. The geologists strongly believe that this spacecraft was not made by normal humans. The reason for this is that outside the cave, they found a huge alien creature buried under the ice, just a few meters away from the spaceship. The next morning, they check one of the ice blocks where the alien creature is frozen. The head scientist tells the team to take a small tissue sample from the creature so they can study it. After drilling through the thick layer of ice, they quickly put the tissue in a safe container to examine it later. Dr. Halverson says during the experiment that he has never seen a creature with such a high cellular level like the one in the sample. The doctor repeats that the world will never be the same after this experiment, and that they, the ones who found the alien, will always be remembered by everyone. While they celebrate their discovery, Derek goes to check on the creature. Derek sees that the creature is moving and the ice is already melting. Soon after touching the ice, the alien breaks out and escapes the building. Derek gets scared and runs quickly to tell the group what just happened. No one thought the alien would still be alive after so many years. To look for the alien that had come back, they split into teams and began searching for the creature. While checking inside a vehicle, they saw blood all over the floor. They started to believe the alien might be dangerous to humans and were now worried about the threat it could bring, not just to them, but to the whole world. One team found the alien hiding under a wooden structure. They walked toward it slowly and used their flashlights to see it better. As Henrik turned his back to the alien, it stabbed him right in the chest using a sharp, tongue-like part from its body. At the same moment, the alien grabbed Henrik's body to finish him off and make sure he was dead. The other man yelled loudly and called for help. He told the rest of the group that the alien had attacked one of their teammates. When all the scientists came together in one spot, the people with guns fired at the alien, but the bullets had little or no effect on the creature. Desperate to stop the violent creature, they pour gasoline on it and set it on fire, burning the alien until it dies. Soon after, the scientists understand that the only way to defeat the alien is to burn it completely. After the event, all team members return to their cabins. Dr. Haylers shows sympathy for the team, but reminds them that, as scientists, It is their duty to study the alien remains. Some of the team members do not agree with Dr. Haler's because the last time they looked at the alien's tissue, it came back to life and killed one of their teammates. Even though it is very risky, a scientist's job is to study such things. Soon after the short talk, Dr. Halon goes to the lab to check the alien inside Henrik's body. While they examine the remains, they find that the alien is eating Henrik's upper body in a strange way. Dr. Halverson finds this very interesting. Kate takes a piece of Henrik's tissue to look at it under the microscope. Oddly, she sees that even though Henrik is dead, his cells are still somehow alive. She starts thinking about what might be causing this strange thing. Kate realizes that the cells she examined aren't Henrik's, but alien cells imitating human ones. While in the bathroom, she sees bloodstains all over. Wanting to warn the rest of the group, she quickly runs to find the remaining team members. Luckily, before the team takes off in the helicopter, the pilot spots Kate and stops the flight. Suddenly, one of the scientists on board starts changing into an alien. The creature uses tongue-like tentacles to stab one of the men. This terrifies the pilots, and the helicopter crashes nearby. After learning about the crash, the remaining scientists try to contact the outside world for help, but they're stuck. They can't reach anyone outside Antarctica because the storm has knocked out the radio signal. Kate then goes back to the bathroom to recheck the bloodstains. Strangely, after the alien transformation, all the blood in the bathroom is now gone. Kate tries to make the team believe her guess. She says they shouldn't leave the place because something odd is going on. Kate shares her idea that the alien might copy a person by copying human cells. She also tells them the reason why metal items are found outside the bodies of victims is because the alien can't copy things like metal. Kate tells the team to stay in the area until they solve the problem. But the others don't trust what she says. Juliet tells Kate in private that she saw Colin cleaning up blood inside the bathroom. Because of this, they now think Colin might be the alien in disguise. As the two team up, it turns out Juliet was lying to Kate the whole time because she is the alien. The alien jumps at Kate, but she luckily escapes and looks for help. While she's running away from the alien, Carl is the first one who gets attacked by the deadly creature. Feeling sad about losing another teammate, the group uses a flamethrower to burn the alien. The creature tries to run away, but they go after it. The team now knows they're in serious danger, but the team keeps watching it and continues burning it until it's completely destroyed. After the incident, it's confirmed that Kate's earlier guess was right. The alien acts like a virus, and it might be hiding inside one of the remaining people. The alien is among them, and they have to stay alert to fight it. The group makes a plan to find and remove it. They decide to test the blood of all the scientists to see which one shows a strange reaction. That same night, 2 of the survivors from the helicopter crash come back to their base looking for shelter. One team member thinks the alien could be inside them because he believes it's impossible for a human to survive the crash. Kate stops him from burning them, saying that it would be murder if they were still human. So, the team agrees to lock them in a room until the blood tests are ready. Later that night, someone sets the lab on fire, destroying all the blood samples. Everyone suspects the alien did it. Kate tells them not to panic, saying there's still another way to find out who the alien is and get rid of it. They need to stay calm and work together to defeat the creature before it's too late. Kate starts checking everyone's dental fillings. If someone still has metal fillings, they are considered normal because the alien can't copy non-living things. So, their plan is to check everyone's teeth and separate those who have metal fillings from those who don't. Jonas and Lars head out to find the other two people, but when they get to the spot where they were supposed to be, both of them are missing. Lars checks another shed, and something suddenly pulls him inside. Thinking it's the alien, Jonas rushes back to the group and tells them that the alien took Lars. Now the team is confused. They don't know if they should watch the people without metal fillings or keep an eye on the Americans. Edvard tells Pet to burn the Americans, saying they are the real threat. As Pet is about to use the flamethrower, one of the Americans shoots and kills him with a pistol. But it turns out the Americans aren't the real danger. A gas line blows up and hurts Edvard, so the team moves him to another room. Panic strikes when Edvard's arm tears off and turns into a monster that attacks one of the group members. It is revealed that Edvard is actually an alien creature. Soon, he attacks some members of the team. The alien keeps changing and becomes even more frightening. Then, it grabs Adam and starts absorbing his body to gain more power. With a heavy heart, Kate warns everyone who has been touched by the alien to stay safe. The main danger now is the replicant alien, which has combined with Edvard and Adam. Because of the two replicas, this alien is stronger than the others. The alien tries to kill Sander, but Kate surprises him by using a flamethrower and burns the alien, killing it. After burning the alien, Kate and Carter see Sander using a vehicle to escape. Carter says they should ignore him because the storm will freeze his body soon. However, Kate does not want to take any chances because if the alien leaves Antarctica, millions of people could die. In the middle of the storm, Kate and Carter decide to chase Sander. Both head to the spacecraft hoping to save the world. When they arrive, they notice that the alien technology is now working because of the ground shaking. Kate falls inside the ship but quickly gets up and walks forward, amazed by technology she has never seen or even imagined before. Suddenly, a creature appears and tries to attack her. Luckily, Kate runs and hides in a spot where the creature can't find her. After a short while, she decides to look for Carter. But the alien surprises her and grabs her legs. Holding a grenade tightly, Kate throws it into the creature's mouth, killing it in the explosion. However, the ship's engines stop working, so Kate and Carter head back to the surface together. As they walk toward their vehicle, Kate notices that Carter's earring is missing and suspects the alien might have gotten inside it. To check, she asks Carter to point to the ear with the earring. When Carter points to the wrong ear, Kate realizes the alien has taken control of him. Feeling sad but sure, she uses the flamethrower to burn the creature alive. Next, we see Kate inside another vehicle with the engine running, but she doesn't start driving. Maybe she has decided to end her life there to stop the alien virus from spreading to the world. The shocking scene is not shown to us. The next morning, a helicopter arrives, and the pilot, Matthias, gets out. Matthias is shocked to see the damaged station and the dead body of the alien creature. After Colin took his own life, Lars, who is paranoid, comes over and tells Matthias to show his teeth. Lara's dog, which everyone thought was dead, suddenly appears, but then runs away. Lars tells Matthias to quickly get into the helicopter. Lars realizes the dog is the last alien alive and knows that if the creature escapes Antarctica, it could mean the end of humanity. Lars follows Matthias in the helicopter, trying to stop the creature and save the world.